श्रीमते नारायणाय नमः. धूपमाघ्रापयामि. In your heart, you have to offer the dhupam. Deepam sandarisayami. Show the lamp to him once. But this is what you learn here. But back home, just you have to offer the lamp. And everything, whatever just you heard, you can offer them back home. But with all the wonderful things. Suddha achamaniyam samarpayami. You can offer water. And we are going to offer Naivedyam to him now. So bring the prasadams, whatever are there with you, keep them in front of him. And if at all you covered the Perumal, the Lord, with your flowers, just remove those flowers and bring him up the flowery bed. See, that is the love we have. And offering the food. How do you offer the food? How do you offer the food? How to show? Do you know, if you show like this, what does it mean? Get out. That's not the way to offer food. How do you offer food to your kids? How do you feed them? With what posture?
Like this.
This is called Mruga Mudra. Deer face. Does it look like that? This is called Grasa Mudra. So you can offer with your Mruga Mudra and Grasa Mudra. Right? That's the way you feed your children. Same with God also. You can offer him like this. Just you take something and you offer him. It depends how much love you have, to offer. So, God accepts objects because you touched it. It's not that because he is hungry. It's not because he is not getting them anywhere else. It's because you touched. So he accepts it. So you take water, sprinkle on that food. And if you have the fruit also, keep it in front of him, just opening it up. But keep the skin with you safe. When we take, how we make it, thus we have to make even to the Lord. And then you take water and sprinkle on that, and then you show, okay, to the Lord, and also to all the subjects around him. You have to offer the food, okay? And in your heart, you can create wonderful prasadams to him in nice gold vessels. And there you can offer sweets, hearts. How many things you are able to cook in your heart? Then make them. Make them really beautifully organized, and then just ask him to accept them. Naivedyam samarpayami. Om. 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 Madhye madhye paniyam samarpayami. Just offer a little water in between the one prasadam and the other prasadam, and then offer the rest of the prasadam also to him in your heart itself, and also physically there to the Lord who is in the Pratima. How long you take to eat something? Minimum. And then when you are offering Lord, just why you are opening the eyes? Close the eyes and then you have to offer. And feel in your heart that you are offering, really offering Him, say about 36 bowls or 64 bowls. You have to make an offer, right? Little kid after all. And if you make big bowl, he is not able to swallow. So make the small bowls that suit his mouth. And now offer them. When you think that he's done with prasadam, then keep the prasadam aside and take a little water. Wash his feet. Hastau prakshalayami. Wash his hands. Padau prakshalayami. Wash his feet. Gandushanam samarpayami. Gandushanam is offering water to his mouth to gargle after the food is taken. It's a kind of brushing though. After food you clean that. So it's called Gandushana. Tambulam samarpayami. Bitter leaves and nuts. We offer after the prasadam is offered for good health. That's how we do to the human beings who are revered. So God accepted when I come in the Archa form, that means in the deity form, I accept all services that you offer as you offer to a man. Thus He accepts everything. So we can offer them. And now you have to offer Harati. But Harati again you have the lamp with you. Take the lamp into hand and stand. Actually giving Harati is removing the evil eye. Drishtiti yuta. So while giving that, we feel all the good things are happening, all the auspicious things are with him, and all the evil will go away. Okay? So that is what we call Mangal Harati. Mangal ho, amangal hare. Let all the bad things go from him. But somehow people are very much used to, after giving the Harati, they take like this. Which is not right. Yes. When you remove the evil eye, what do?
Throw it out.
You put it aside and wash the feet and eyes of the person to whom you remove the evil eye, right? Same even to God also. You do with camphor. Of course, here you won't do with camphor. Or with whatever thing that you do, whenever just you do the Harati, then you feel like all the evil things, whatever when we look at him, I think even our eye may cause some kind of, damage to him. So even we are very much scared and to just glare at him. That's how just we feel. Yeah, I think that's how the mother feels towards the kid. If some neighbors come and on a birthday when she decorated the child, and if people come and started, just kissing and just hugging and just doing like this, and then she may feel, how? No, don't touch, it's very delicate, and so on and so forth. And then she brings the something to remove the evil eye. They use some kind of stuff. What are they? Yes, salt and chilies, and then they rotate. Something like that. They chant something though. And then what do they do with it? They throw it in the fire and keep it in the next neighbor's house. Let everything go there. You need not do so. Here you will be sued anyway.
But Swamiji, generally temples they give harati and bring it to you, then everybody will take.
No, because you are dropping some coins. I drop the coins, but don't take like this. So, after removing the evil eye as we do, thus after giving the harati also, we keep it aside. Drop some water on that. Take water and wash his feet and mouth, and we clean the eyes. And then we say, let all the auspicious things be there with you, my Lord. You are the root. If things auspicious that are with you, that means the whole tree is flourished. We are the tree. We are the leaves and branches. And we are the fruits and flowers of that tree. But you are the root cause for all these things. So if the root is safe, tree is safe. Root is not, tree is not safe. Right? So that's why we offer Mangalam to the Lord. Do Namaskar and give the Harati and then Shriyakantaya Kalyana Nidhaye Nidhaye Dhinam Sri Venkatanivasaya Srinivasaya Mangalam Mangalam Kosalendraya Mahaniya Gunatmane Chakravarti Tanujaya Sarvabhaumaya Mangalam Neelachal Nivasaya Nityaya Paramatmane Subhadra Prananathaya Sri Jagannathaya Mangalam Mangala Sasana Paraihi Madacharya Purogamaihi Sarvaischa Purvaihi Acharyehi Satkృతాyastu Mangalam. Do the lamp, keep the lamp down. And do Namaskara now.